In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning word art in Google Docs. Whether you're designing a report, crafting a presentation, or simply wanting to add a splash of creativity to your documents, word art can quickly elevate the visual appeal of your work. So let's dive right in and explore how you can do this step by step. First things first, we need to get your Google Docs document ready. Open your web browser and navigate to docs.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign into your Google account. Then you have the choice to either open an existing document you want to enhance or create a brand new one to play around with. It's completely up to you. With your document open and ready, we move on to inserting word art. Start by clicking on the Insert option in the top menu bar. This will open up a drop-down menu. Hover your cursor over the drawing option and then click on the plus new button. A drawing window will pop up. Here, look for the text box icon, which looks like a letter T inside a box. Clicking this icon allows you to draw a text box inside the drawing area. Now type in your desired text. This could be anything, a word, a phrase, or a unique design that you're visualizing. Once you have your text in place, it's time to make it your own by customizing it. Highlight the text inside the text box to start modifying it. You'll find several options in the toolbar above. These options allow you to change the font style and size to match your document's theme or to stand out boldly. You'll also see options for altering the text color or making your text bold, italicized, or underlined. Don't hesitate to experiment for the perfect look. Beyond basic text customization, you can add additional effects to make your word art pop. Click on Format options and you will see options like drop shadow and reflection. Select one or both to give your text a three-dimensional or mirrored effect. Additionally, you can use the shape, fill, and border color to add a splash of background color or outline to your text box, enhancing the overall design. Once you're satisfied with how your word art looks, you're ready to save and insert it into your document. Simply click on the Save and Close button. Your freshly created word art will now appear right where your cursor was in the Google Docs document. You can easily click and drag your word art to reposition it anywhere in the document or adjust its size by clicking and dragging the corners. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized word art within Google Docs. Now go ahead and try it out, making your documents as visually appealing and expressive as possible. Remember, your creativity is the limit. Thanks for watching and happy designing.